Hello and welcome to the Pleasure Academy. Today we're diving deep into an important and often misunderstood topic. What do women like the most during sex? Let's explore it from an honest, respectful, and science-backed perspective. 1. Communication is key. The foundation of sexual satisfaction is communication. Women consistently emphasize that open, respectful conversations about desires, boundaries, and comfort zones make intimacy far more fulfilling. When a partner listens, checks in, and adapts based on feedback, it builds trust and reduces anxiety. Many women report that being able to express what feels good and knowing their partner cares creates deeper connection. Instead of assuming, asking gentle questions like, "Does this feel nice?" or "Would you like me to slow down?" encourages honesty. Nonverbal cues matter too. Paying attention to body language, breathing patterns, or subtle shifts can guide partners toward what's pleasurable. At the core, communication transforms sex from a performance into a shared journey of discovery. Women often say that feeling heard is just as satisfying as physical touch itself. 2. Emotional intimacy. For many women, the path to sexual fulfillment begins long before physical intimacy. Emotional closeness, feeling valued, respected, and safe, sets the stage for a deeply enjoyable experience. Small gestures like affectionate words, genuine compliments, or simply being present without distractions foster this connection. When women feel emotionally secure, they are more open to exploring their desires. Studies in relationship psychology show that emotional intimacy lowers stress and increases arousal. A partner who takes time to nurture this bond outside the bedroom often finds that sexual encounters become more natural and pleasurable. Women often report that intimacy feels best when it's not rushed, when there's laughter, eye contact, and vulnerability. Emotional intimacy is, in many ways, the invisible thread that makes physical pleasure richer and more satisfying. 3. Foreplay matters. If there's one universal truth, it's this: foreplay is not optional. Many women highlight that they need time to build arousal, and rushing directly into intercourse often reduces pleasure. Gentle kissing, touching, playful teasing, and stimulating sensitive areas like the neck, thighs, or ears are all powerful ways to enhance anticipation. This isn't just preference, it's biology. Women's bodies typically require more time for blood flow to increase in erogenous zones, which heightens sensitivity. Engaging in foreplay not only prepares the body but also sharpens emotional connection, making intimacy more immersive. Couples who invest in extended foreplay often discover new layers of pleasure together. Women consistently report that when foreplay is given importance, the overall sexual experience feels more complete, satisfying, and meaningful, proving that the journey is just as important as the destination. 4. Clitoral stimulation. A large percentage of women say clitoral stimulation is central to their sexual satisfaction. Research shows that the majority of women don't reach orgasm from penetration alone, and focusing on the clitoris dramatically increases pleasure. Gentle rubbing, oral stimulation, or using hands in combination with other forms of touch can make a huge difference. The clitoris has over 8,000 nerve endings, making it the most sensitive part of the female body. Yet, many women feel their partners overlook it or rush past this step. Taking time, asking what feels best, and adjusting pressure and speed creates an environment where women feel truly considered. The key isn't just technique, but attentiveness. By prioritizing clitoral stimulation, partners move away from performance-driven intimacy and toward pleasure-centered connection, ensuring that women feel equally valued in the experience. 5. Variety and exploration. Women often express appreciation for variety during intimacy. Repeating the same routine can make sex predictable, while gentle experimentation keeps things exciting. Variety doesn't have to mean wild or extreme acts. It can be as simple as changing positions, exploring different rooms, or trying new forms of touch. Some women enjoy playful elements like blindfolds, gentle restraints, or massage oils, while others find role-play or guided fantasies fun. Importantly, variety should always respect consent and comfort. Research on sexual satisfaction shows that novelty releases dopamine, the brain's pleasure chemical, enhancing excitement and arousal. Women often report that trying something new together deepens trust and makes intimacy feel adventurous rather than repetitive. At its best, variety turns sex into an evolving journey rather than a fixed routine, keeping both partners curious and connected. 6. Pace and rhythm. Women often emphasize that the pace of intimacy plays a big role in their enjoyment. Going too fast, too soon can be overwhelming, while too slow without progression may feel frustrating. The most satisfying rhythm comes from tuning into the partner's responses. Gentle build-ups, pauses, and changes in tempo heighten anticipation and pleasure. Think of intimacy like music, sometimes soft and slow, sometimes steady and deep. Women often enjoy when partners vary their movements, alternating between intensity and tenderness. This creates a sense of surprise and keeps the body engaged. Checking in with subtle cues, like breathing, moans, or muscle tension, helps guide the ideal pace. A well-balanced rhythm isn't about rushing to climax. It's about savoring the journey, allowing women to immerse themselves fully in the sensations. 7. Confidence and presence. Confidence is deeply attractive, but presence is equally important. Many women say they prefer partners who are genuinely engaged, rather than distracted or overly self-conscious. Confidence doesn't mean arrogance. It means moving with assurance, showing affection without hesitation, and creating a safe space. Presence means being in the moment. Eye contact, gentle touches, and responding to cues rather than following a script. When a partner is fully present, women feel desired, respected, and emotionally connected. This combination of confidence and attentiveness enhances both pleasure and trust. Women often highlight that sex feels best when it's not about performance, but about shared connection. By letting go of outside distractions and focusing solely on the moment, intimacy transforms into something memorable and deeply fulfilling. 8. Gentle aftercare. What happens after sex is just as important as what happens during it. Many women express that aftercare, like cuddling, kissing, or simply holding hands, makes them feel emotionally secure and valued. This period helps regulate hormones such as oxytocin, which strengthens feelings of closeness and reduces post-intimacy anxiety. A partner who gently checks in, asking, "How are you feeling?" shows attentiveness and care. Aftercare can also involve bringing water, offering comfort, or simply lying together in silence. Women often describe that when aftercare is prioritized, intimacy feels less transactional and more like an act of genuine love. It transforms sex from a physical encounter into a shared, nurturing experience that lingers long after the moment ends. 9. Respect for boundaries. One of the most consistent themes women highlight is the importance of respecting boundaries. Sexual satisfaction is not about doing everything, but about doing what feels comfortable and safe. When a partner respects limits, without pressuring or dismissing them, trust grows stronger. Women often say that knowing they can say no without fear of rejection actually frees them to say yes more often. Boundaries also evolve. What feels good one day may not feel right another, and open communication ensures both partners adapt. Research on intimacy shows that respect creates a safe psychological space, which is necessary for arousal and relaxation. By prioritizing mutual consent and comfort, couples shift the focus from performance to connection. Women often note that this respect makes sex feel more empowering, enjoyable, and deeply fulfilling. 10. Mindful touch. Women frequently emphasize that mindful touch that is slow, intentional, and exploratory, feels far more satisfying than rushed movements. Mindful touch is about quality, not quantity. It's paying attention to how skin responds, noticing subtle shivers, and adjusting pressure with care. This practice isn't just physical. It's a form of presence and attentiveness that communicates affection. Gentle massages, tracing fingertips across the body, or exploring erogenous zones with patience all enhance arousal. Studies in somatic therapy suggest that mindful touch reduces stress and heightens bodily awareness, making sensations more intense. Women often report that when partners slow down and engage fully, they feel more desired and more connected. In essence, mindful touch makes intimacy not just an act, but a meditation in shared pleasure. 11. Balance of giving and receiving. Sex feels most satisfying when it's a balanced exchange, not one-sided. Many women note that they feel happiest when partners are equally enthusiastic about giving and receiving pleasure. If one person dominates while the other is neglected, intimacy feels incomplete. Women often appreciate partners who take turns, making sure both have space to express their needs. This balance doesn't mean keeping score. It's about cultivating mutual generosity. Research on relationship satisfaction highlights that reciprocity in the bedroom strengthens emotional bonds outside of it as well. Women frequently describe that when partners prioritize their enjoyment just as much as their own, sex becomes more relaxed, joyful, and connected. At its heart, balance reinforces the idea that intimacy isn't about finishing quickly, but about sharing a meaningful, pleasurable journey together. 12. Creating a comfortable environment. The setting often shapes the experience. Many women highlight that a comfortable, relaxed environment helps them enjoy intimacy more deeply. This doesn't require candles or elaborate setups, though those can help, but rather a sense of privacy, cleanliness, and calm. Eliminating distractions like phones or noise allows both partners to focus fully on each other. Some women find that soft lighting, music, or scents enhance relaxation, making it easier to be present. A safe and comfortable space reduces anxiety and increases arousal, as the brain feels free to focus on pleasure rather than worry. Women often say that when the environment feels inviting and thoughtful, sex feels more like an intimate escape rather than just a routine activity. Ultimately, atmosphere matters. It sets the stage for intimacy to flourish. 13. Emotional validation. Beyond physical pleasure, women often value emotional validation during intimacy. Simple affirmations like, "You're beautiful," "I love being with you," or "That feels amazing," can dramatically enhance the experience. These small but powerful words reassure women that they are desired and cherished, not just physically but emotionally. Studies in relationship science show that affirmation increases confidence and reduces self-consciousness, which in turn boosts arousal. Women often describe that when partners express appreciation during or after sex, it deepens their sense of intimacy and security. Validation doesn't mean constant praise. It means being genuine and attentive. Knowing that a partner is fully enjoying and appreciating the shared moment can make women feel more open, adventurous, and engaged. Emotional validation transforms sex into a holistic experience of connection, care, and joy. 14. Shared pleasure, not pressure. Finally, women often say that the most enjoyable sexual experiences are those without pressure. When intimacy is focused solely on achieving orgasm or performing, it can feel stressful rather than pleasurable. Women report that the best encounters are playful, exploratory, and relaxed, where laughter is welcome and imperfections are embraced. Shared pleasure means enjoying the journey together, not rushing toward a goal. It also means understanding that intimacy doesn't have to look the same every time. Some moments may be tender, others more passionate. By removing pressure, partners create space for authentic connection and spontaneous joy. Women often highlight that sex feels most meaningful when it's about togetherness, not ticking boxes. In the end, shared pleasure is the essence of intimacy, making both partners feel fulfilled and connected. So, what do women like the most during sex? The answer isn't a single act. It's a combination of emotional intimacy, communication, respect, attentiveness, and shared joy. Women often emphasize that pleasure comes not only from physical touch but also from feeling valued, safe, and connected. When partners approach intimacy with curiosity, patience, and care, the experience becomes more than physical. It becomes deeply fulfilling for both. The truth is, women want to be seen, heard, and cherished in the bedroom just as much as in daily life. That, ultimately, is what makes intimacy most satisfying. Thanks for watching the Pleasure Academy. If you found this video insightful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content on intimacy and relationships. Remember, great sex is built on respect, communication, and connection.